In today's video, I'm going to teach you use the G key, grab, move. If you want the fastest, most fluid way to reposition anything in your scene, the G key is your best friend. Think of it as a quick grab and go. You don't need to hunt for a gizmo or navigate a menu. With your object selected, simply press G. The moment you do, you'll enter a temporary move mode where the object follows your mouse. Nothing is final yet. This is a live preview that lets you test out a new position before you commit. As you move the mouse, pay attention to how the object tracks relative to your view. If you're in a perspective angle, it can feel like the object moves more in some directions than others. That's normal. For precise placement, try adjusting your view first so you're looking head on at the area you're working with. You can also zoom in a bit to make smaller mouse movements translate into finer adjustments. A gentle, steady motion is easier to control than quick, large sweeps. When the object looks like it's exactly where you want it, left click to confirm. That click locks in the new position and exits move mode. If you're moving multiple selected objects, they'll all travel together and confirm together with the same left click. It's a simple routine. Select, press G, move, and click to place. You'll find that repeating this flow becomes second nature very quickly. If you change your mind mid-move, don't worry. At any time before you confirm, you can cancel, just right-click or press ESC, and the object will snap back to where it started as if nothing happened. This makes experimenting low stakes. Try a position, cancel if it's not working, try again from another angle, and confirm when you're confident. A few helpful habits can make this even smoother. Before pressing G, place your mouse near the object so it doesn't jump too far when the move begins. Make small movements if you need fine control, and take a moment to frame your view so you're guiding the object toward a clear target. If you overshoot, cancel and start again. There's no penalty for retrying. And remember, the move isn't permanent until you left click. So feel free to explore different placements in that preview state. That's all there is to it. Press G to grab, move the mouse to reposition, left click to confirm, or right click or S key to cancel. Master this and you'll move objects faster and more confidently every time you work.